Welcome everyone to our exploration of AI-powered link building. Today, we're leveraging ChatGPT to uncover new techniques for link building. Here are the first techniques we are going to tackle. As you can see, this is all about outreach, reaching out to other website owners and getting backlinks from them, because that's the key. At the end of this module, you'll have the necessary knowledge to get your first backlinks. But before asking for backlinks or getting some, you need engaging content. And maybe you're not always the right person to determine if your content is link-worthy. So let's brainstorm content ideas with ChatGPT that are likely to attract backlinks. We'll enter this prompt, suggest content ideas that are likely to generate backlinks in the yoga for young moms niche. Notice how I narrowed the niche. This is really important nowadays because getting backlinks is all about other people identifying with your content. And if you create content for a too large audience, you risk pleasing no one. This guides ChatGPT to propose topics that are not only relevant, but also have a high potential for earning links due to their appeal. Okay, nice. Each suggested topic addresses a gap or a trending interest within the niche, making our content more valuable and shareable. Now that we have solid content, we can start outreach to ask website owners if they would like to include our content on their pages with a link back to our website. And a solid outreach list is the foundation of a successful link building campaign. Let's start by identifying potential outreach targets. I'll use WebPilot for real-time browsing, and I'm entering the command, generate a list of potential websites for outreach in the yoga for young moms niche. I'm looking for small to medium-sized websites for the best efficiency. Here is my website for you to refine your answer, and I'll paste the URL. This prompt is designed to direct ChatGPT towards finding relevant websites interested in linking to high-quality content. Let's see what we got. Okay, interesting. With this list, we can prioritize our outreach efforts, focusing on sites most aligned with our content strategy. All right, now that we know who to write to, we need to write emails, but not just random emails. Personalization can dramatically increase your success rate in outreach. So let's craft a personalized email. I'll type, create 3 personalized outreach email templates for link building from my website about yoga for young moms. Mention a recent article from the target website. I need a first email, a follow-up, a last chance email with a funny approach. This way, our outreach is relevant, respectful, and acknowledges the recipient's work, making a positive response more likely. Plus, we already know what to write if we don't get answers. Let's see where this goes. Okay, notice how the email template is structured to make personalization easy, allowing for scalability without sacrificing the personal touch. We now have a template we can use, and we just have a few placeholders to modify every time. Now we can talk about another technique, which is guest posting. Guest posting is a gold mine for quality links. But first, we need to know where we can contribute valuable content. So let's identify opportunities. We'll use WebPilot again. Make a list of 25 websites accepting guest posts related to zero-waste lifestyle. So this helps us pinpoint platforms where our content can shine and provide value. Let's see the result. All right, we have a bunch of interesting opportunities. And by targeting sites already open to guest posts, we enhance our chances of successful outreach. So we make sure our content efforts are welcomed and effective. Okay, maybe you already started an outreach campaign and the results are not good. You don't have that many answers from website owners, or they just rejected your demand. Don't worry, this happens all the time. We have a special weapon to fight this. and it's called optimizing existing content. So we'll ask ChatGPT to identify how to enhance the pieces we think are worth the try. We'll use this command. I have a site about DIY home improvement, and here is a great article I want to get backlinks from. Suggest updates to improve link worthiness. And I'll paste the article's content. This helps us focus on leveraging existing assets by updating and enriching them to attract more links. All right, we have very interesting leads here.
We have general updates across the article. So for example, adding detailed tutorials and guides, step-by-step tutorials, having cost breakdowns and budget tips, and also using downloadable resources. Nice. But what's good is we also have specific updates for selected ideas. So we know what to do for each paragraph. So for example, for lay a stylish tile runner, we can talk about alternative materials or DIY hacks like the IKEA rug transformation. So this is really detailed, really precise. We know exactly what to do, and this is how we will improve our content. Now, another sneaky technique in addition to what we've seen is broken link building. Broken link building is a strategic approach to replace dead links with your live content. Everybody wins because the site owner replaces a dead link with a new one, and you get your backlink. So let's explore how to automate this process. I'm asked, create a script for identifying broken links on websites related to DIY home improvement. While ChatGPT itself doesn't directly run scripts, it can guide us in structuring one or suggest tools that can help automate the search for broken links on target sites. Alright, with these insights, we can almost automate finding broken link opportunities, making our outreach more relevant and timely. So that's an advanced technique. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it definitely works. Okay, we've covered the main techniques that you can use for link building, outreach, guest posting, and broken link building. You already have a lot to do, and obviously you can ask ChatGPT to refine its results, particularly for the emails if you want to include more details. Now we're going to move to more advanced techniques, and that will be the topic of our next video.